In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a contact on Microsoft Teams. Adding a contact in Teams is simple, and it starts from the chat area. This is useful when you want to quickly message someone again later without having to search for them from scratch every time. I will walk you through the exact clicks and what to look for on screen so you can follow along easily. First, open Microsoft Teams. You can do this from your desktop app or from the web version depending on what your organization uses. Once Teams is open, take a moment to make sure you are signed in to the correct account, especially if you use more than one. Next, look at the left sidebar inside Teams and select Chat. This is the section where your direct messages and group chats live. If you have used Teams before, you will likely see recent conversations listed here. If you do not see anything yet, that is fine. The steps are the same. Now go to the top of the chat screen and click New Chat. This is the pencil icon, and it starts a new conversation. When you click it, a new chat box appears where you can choose who you want to message. In the To field, type the person's name or their email address. As you type, Teams will usually suggest matching people from your organization directory. If you see the correct person appear in the suggestions, you can select them. If not, keep typing until the correct match shows up. Once the correct person is entered, press Enter on your keyboard. As soon as you do this, Teams creates the chat thread, and that automatically adds the person to your chat contacts list. From this point on, the conversation will stay in your chat list, so you can come back later and message them again quickly. If you want to keep things organized, a helpful habit is to send a short first message right away, even something simple, so the chat is easy to recognize later. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.